Look, in his hand, going into his mouth, the sandwich. It's hauntingly beautiful. The sandwich looks like a culinary wonder, well made and abundant in components. The author sure knew their craft. You can barely hear him. The sweet smell of pickles in harmony with garlic butter and marinated onions emanating from the sandwich is driving your mind in a singular direction. It must be yours. The ham sandwich looks fresh and nutritious in your hand, begging to be eaten. A treat of this magnitude should not be enjoyed alone.